Hello, this is my homework. Linking sounds. English. Speak it, write it, read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close it, then you lock it, and put the key back in your pocket. Busy. Work all day. Run away. Boss and me. Can't agree. Fill a cup. Drink it up. Wait a while. Walk a mile. Meditate. Don't be late. Outdoor. Outdoor. Her breath. Her breath. Big row. Big row. Right tie. Right tie. Top layer. Top layer. Black cap. Black cap. Did you? Would you? Didn't you? Don't you? Did you call about the job? What did you find out? Would you arrange travel? Why didn't you tell me? Didn't you major in management? Don't you speak Japanese? What's your name? Who's your mother?